Hello students, we studied all methods to solve non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Okay. Now today topic is homogeneous system of linear equations. Already we studied that the homogeneous system of linear equations having the constants as zeros. Okay. Let me take three equations. Suppose a11 x, a12 y, a13 z equal to 0. What I am doing, I am taking the constants as 0. a21 x, a22 y, a23 z is equal to 0. a31 x, a32 y, a33 z equal to 0. So this system is known as homogeneous system of linear equation because we have the constants are 0. If at least any one constant is non-zero, then system becomes non-homogeneous system of linear equations. Okay, so observe the constants. No constant is 0, so system is known as homogeneous system of equation. Okay, now let me convert into matrix form. What is matrix form here? A matrix form is Ax equal to B. So where coefficient matrix A is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33, and capital X is X, Y, Z, and capital B is 0 column matrix 0, 0, 0. So here augmented matrix is AB. Augmented matrix is AB. A11, A12, A13, 0, 0, 0. A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. So how to get the solutions of system of equation? By reducing the augmented matrix into row echelon form, then by searching the rank of A and rank of AB. If rank of A, rank of AB is equal to, then system is consistent. Okay, and if it is equal to n, then system has unique solution. This is first case. Rank of A, rank of AB equal to n, then system has unique solution. And second case, if rank of A equal to rank of AB and not equal to n, then system has infinite solutions. Okay, in homogeneous systemic equations only two cases will arise. Why? Because here rank of A, here A matrix and augmented matrix both are equal. Why? Because here last column is 0 matrix. If you find the rank of A, automatically it will be equal to rank of AB. If you find after converting into row echelon form, you will convert this below diagonal elements will be 0. Then you will count the number of non-zero rows, that will give rank of A. So rank of A, when you are finding rank of A, that is equal to rank of B, rank of augmented matrix. So this will happen always in this homogeneous system of equations. So rank of A is equal to always rank of AB. So this system has unique solution or infinite solution is depending on number of unknowns. If it is equal to number of unknowns, system has unique solution. If it is not equal to n, then system has infinite solution. So that means homogeneous system of equations always possess the solution. That may be one solution or infinite solution. Okay. See here in case 1, we have rank of A equal to n. Rank of A equal to n means all rows in the matrix are non-zero rows in coefficient matrix, and equal to n means all rows should be non-zero rows. That means we can write det A always not equal 0. Okay, so if det A not equal 0 means system has unique solution. System has unique solution. You can show rank of A equal to n, or you can take det A equal to 0. This is another way. If you found det A it is not equal to 0, then you can directly write system has unique solution. Or you can convert into augmented matrix into row echelon form, then count the number of, find the rank method, find the rank, then check it, rank of A is equal to number of unknowns, then we can write system has unique solution. This solution is called trivial solution. This unique solution is called trivial solution. System has unique solution, trivial solution. So how to check trivial solution? Using this method, det method. If det not equal 0, you can say system is unique solution. Or by rank method also you can verify. In second case, we have rank of A is not equal to n. Rank of A not equal to n, then if and only if system has infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. So system has infinite solutions in this case when rank of A not equal to n. Rank of A not equal to n means that implies you can show det A equal 0 also. Two ways. By rank method you can show rank of A not equal to number of unknowns, or det A equal 0. By finding the det, if you get 0, that will be not equal to number of unknowns, right? So in this case also you can show system of equation having infinite solutions. Okay, so these solutions are known as non-trivial solutions. Infinite solutions are known as non-trivial solution. Okay, so this is the procedure to find the solution of homogeneous system of equation. So remember, homogeneous system of equation always possesses the solution. Okay, let me do some example problems. First problem, solve x plus 2y 3z equal to 0, 3x plus 4y plus 4z equal to 0, 7x plus 10y plus 12z is equal to 0. Okay. Now write the augmented matrix here. What is the augmented matrix? 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 7, 10, 12. Last column is 0, 0, which is augmented matrix. Now convert it into row echelon form. So for that I am making 3, 7, 0. So R2 minus 3R1, R3 minus 7R1. 1, 2, 3, 0, 4 minus 6, minus 2, 4 minus 9, minus 5, 0, minus 4, minus 9, 0, 0, 0. Right? Make this element 0. R3 minus 2R2, 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, minus 2, minus 5, 0, 0, 0, 2, 5 is 10, minus 9, 1, 0. So here rank of A equal rank of A0. AB actually. AB is 3 and number of unknowns. Number of unknowns is also 3. So therefore rank of A equal to rank of AB is equal to n. Therefore system has unique solution. What is the solution? The solution is first equation x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 0. Second equation minus 2y minus 5z is equal to 0 and z equal to 0. Right? If z equals 0, substitute here y equals 0. Take yz. So remember one thing, when system has unique solution, that solution always zero solution. Why? Because here always this in the last column is zero column, no? So you will get non-zero element here. So you will get automatically z equals 0. So always unique solution. Z equals 0. If you substitute in second equation, you will get y equals 0. If you substitute yz in this equation, you will get x equals 0. So when system has unique solution, that will be always zero solution. See, observe the equation. Thus x equals y equals z, x equals 0, y equals 0, z equals 0. That solution satisfy all these equations. Why? Because right hand side 0, no? So x equals 0, y equals 0 solution always satisfy the homogeneous system of equations. So homogeneous system always passes one unit, that is zero solution. Okay. Now here zero solution is x equals 0, y equals 0, z equals 0. Now second example. One more example. X plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 4z equals 0. X minus 11y plus 14z is equal to 0. Now let me solve this. Write the augmented matrix. So I am denoting the null matrix as O instead of B. Okay, this is the augmented matrix. You can denote by B also, no problem. So this is null matrix, no? Zero matrix. So that's why I am denoting by O. So 1, 3, minus 2, 2 minus 1, 4, 1 minus 11, 14, 0, 0, 0. Now make these two element zeros. R2, R2 minus 2R1, R3, R3 minus R1. 1, 3 minus 2, 0, 0, minus 1, minus 6, minus 7, 4 plus 4, 8, 0, 0, minus 14, 16, 0. Now here make this element 0. So I am changing R3. R3 minus 2R2. 1, 3 minus 2, 0, 0 minus 7, 8, 0. Here 0, this will be 0. 16 minus 16, 0, 0. Now observe here, rank of AO augmented matrix is equal to 2 and number of unknowns. Number of unknowns is equal to 2. So therefore what we got, rank of A naught is not equal to n, number of unknowns. So in this case system has non-trivial solution. Non-trivial solution. That is infinite solutions. Infinite solutions. To get the infinite solution, I will rewrite the equation. What is the first equation? X plus 3y minus 2z is equal to 0. From second equation, from second row, you will get second equation. Minus 7y plus 8z is equal to 0. So observe here, we have two equations and three unknowns. So to get y, I am taking z as one parameter, or to get z, you can take y as parameter. So let me take z as t, where t is parameter. Okay, substitute here. You will get, substitute in second equation, 7y plus 8t is equal to 0, and you will get y as 8t by 7. 8t by 7. Now by substituting y z as t, y equal to 8t by 7 in first equation. What is first equation? X plus 3 into y, 8t by 7, and minus 2t is equal to 0. So x is equal to 2t minus 24t by 7, 14t minus 24t by 7, minus 10t by 7. This is x value, this is y value, and this is z. Okay, therefore x is minus 10t by 7, y is 8t by 7, and z is t, where t is any real number. So system has infinite solution. In place of t you can write any real number, so you will get number of solutions, right? One more example. Three lambda minus 8 into x plus 3y plus 3z is equal to 0. 3x plus 3 lambda minus 8 into y plus 3z is equal to 0. 3x plus 3y plus 3 lambda minus 8 into z is equal to 0. If this system has non-trivial solution, then find lambda values. So system has non-trivial solution. When the system has non-trivial solution is system has infinite solution. When rank of A is not equal to number of unknowns. Rank of A not equal to number of unknowns, that is one method. Another method, you can show that A equal to 0. If that A is equal to 0, automatically rank of A will not be equal to number of unknowns. So I am using that A equal to 0. It is simple way to get. You can use rank method also. So for that I am writing the augmented matrix. What is the augmented matrix here? 3 lambda minus 8, 3 lambda minus 8, 3 lambda minus 8. Okay, 0 0 0. So here I am using that method, so I am considering only A. I am not using rank method. Rank method also you can use. So I am using that method. Now I am finding that. So before finding the det, you can find the det here also directly, no problem. So first I will use some row operation to get det A. So here I am changing R1 row by adding R1, R2 plus R3. So what you will get? You will get 3 lambda minus 8 plus 6. Here also 3 lambda minus 8 plus 6. 3 lambda minus 8 plus 6. 3 lambda minus 8. 3 lambda minus 8. Right, now find the det A. So this is det here now. 3 lambda minus 2, 3, 3. 3 lambda minus 2, 3 lambda minus 8, 3. 3 lambda minus 2, 3, 3 lambda minus 8. Okay, now it is dead. Now I am taking this element outside. 3 lambda minus 2, take outside, then you will get 1, 3, 3, 1, 3 lambda minus 8, 3, 1, 3, 3 lambda minus 8. Okay, right. Now let me apply few more operations. In C1 I am making these two elements as well, this one. So C1 I am using column operation. I am changing the C2 minus C1, and C3 minus C1. So what we have 3 lambda minus 2 outside. Det of first column as is 1, 2, 1, 3, 3. Here 1 minus 1, 0. Here 3 lambda minus 8 minus 3. 3 lambda minus 11. 3 minus 3, 0. 0, 0. 3 lambda minus 11. Now find the rate. 3 lambda minus 2 into det of 3 lambda minus 11 into 3 lambda minus 11. Remaining element 0. Right? 3 lambda minus 2 into 3 lambda minus 11 whole square. So this is the det, and we know that det is equal to 0. So here you will get 3 lambda minus 2 into 3 lambda minus 11 whole square is equal to 0. So that implies you will get 3 lambda minus 2 equals 0, and 3 lambda minus 11 is equal to 0. So lambda equal to 2 by 3, and from this lambda equal to 11 by 3. Okay. So in homogeneous equation, if system has non-trivial solution, means you can use det A equal to, if you take det A equal 0, you will get unknown quantity which is occurring as coefficient. Okay. So based on this you can try exercise problems. Thank you.